Hey there, this is James Boyle with the Boyle Real Estate Team. We're featuring 1135 West Avenue, new construction, 3-bedroom, 2-bath condos on each floor. Let's go take a look. This is the first floor unit of 1135 West Avenue, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Full shiplap, got the vinyl plank flooring, upgraded cabinetry, Forevermark cabinets, beautiful backsplash. Property would be done about 30 days. Property's in a great location. This is the master bedroom, bathroom, nice lighting. 2 additional bedrooms, same as the upstairs. Very quality construction, fixtures, beautiful front porch. As we enter in the second floor of this new construction on West Avenue, you see luxury vinyl plank flooring, stylish cabinets, quartz countertops. We're looking about 30 more days for this property to be totally completed. Some beautiful upgrades throughout. Tile bathrooms. Love the black accents of the windows, ceiling fan, hardware. The full bathroom, double vanity. Tile flooring. This is the other bedroom, second, third bedroom. Right in the closet here, we have full stackable washer and dryer, tankless hot water. Leads to the private deck on the second floor. This is exclusively for the second floor condo. You have a rooftop deck. See the rides over there, Asbury Avenue. If you like what you saw at this property here, make sure you give us a call, the Boyle Real Estate Team, 609-226-0678. See you at the beach.